Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new Nautique GS22. This boat's going to be set up with a white upper deck hull. The main stripe on this is going to be crimson red metal flake paired with black, onyx black hull bottom. Really cool color setup. Tying in with the upper white deck here is going to be a full white tower. Moving right over to our black bimini that's going to be on here with surf pockets. Really cool color combination. The crimson red metal flake really has a nice pop to it. As we come around the back of the boat here, we paired this one with the black on the swim platform. We've got mocha sea decking on this one. Really nice clean look throughout the boat. You're going to have a transom remote for your stereo on here. All Nautiques are going to be equipped with surf pipe, your Nautique configurable running surface, as well as your NSS plates. Let's take a look at the inside of this one. All right, so as we move in through this boat here, we've got the nice seating on the back. Great when you're done with the set, or just hanging out in the boat and relaxing. Gives you a nice spot to really kick back and enjoy yourself. As you come through, right in the walkway, you're gonna have the control for the stereo. So as you're sitting on the back and relaxing, you can always change your tunes right from the back. As we come over here, we look in the back. This boat is also equipped with Pro Ballast, so you have an extra tank on each side, giving this boat more ballast to it, gives it that really great wave that you're expecting. The color scheme on this one, paired with the mocha interior, is going to be white as main colors and the crimson red and black as your accent colors. Ski pylon is a pop-up pylon, comes up right here, easy to tuck right back down, out of the way when you're surfing and wakeboarding and getting on and off the boat. As you come through the interior, you have the nice removable step, so you don't have to step on any of your interior as you move on and off the boat coming through it. Looking around here, this one's going to be equipped with JL audio like all other Nautiques. This one's going to have on our tower with bimini here, we've got our awareness camera. We also have a pair of JL77 audio speakers here. Looking throughout the rest, you have great seating throughout. The seats are all independent hinges. Flip up side over here. Gives you a nice backrest to be able to look back, watch a show, hang out. Drops right down when you've got more people in here or just looking to have a more open layout. Underneath this side of the helm, you've got a ton of storage space, giving you the freedom to put all of your accessories in here that you're going to bring with you, your towels and life jackets, things like that. Coming up towards the bow, we've got our glove compartment here, tons of space in here, JL audio head unit. Pass through right here, so if you want to set your cell phone here, glass top, you can be able to see who's giving you a call while you're out on the water if you want to answer that call or not. Drop-in air dam, simply drops right in, gives you the ability to close off the front of this bow on those cold days that you want to get out and be out surfing and block that wind from coming back at you. This is also going to have heaters in it that pull out. Same thing, cold days, gives you the ability to stay warm. As with all Nautiques, you've got the link pen array giving you access to everything. Color changing lights. Give us a call in Rogers, Minnesota. Come in, check this Nautique GS22 out. Really cool color setup with the crimson red metal flake, white interior with some crimson accents to it as well as the black. Thank you.